Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'll show you how to create a slide background fill shape to picture morph transition in PowerPoint. Once you're in, right-click on the slide and choose Format Background. Next, select Picture or Texture Fill and then click on the Clipboard option. From there, pick the rectangle shape and drag it onto your slide. Hold Ctrl and drag the shape to adjust its size. You can keep adjusting until it fits just right. Now, let's add a bit of style. Head to the Effects options and choose Shadow, then select the bottom right shadow style. Adjust the transparency to 40% and set the blur to 30 points. Once that's done, click on the Slide Background Fill option. You'll notice that your shape transforms into a background picture. When you move the shape around, the image will automatically adjust to fit the slide. It's really cool to watch in action. Next, make sure the shape is adjusted properly on your slide. Now, let's add some text. Insert a text box and change the font style to your liking. After that, duplicate the slide. Move the shape to the left side of the slide, while the first shape stays on the right. Adjust the size of the shapes to fit everything just right. Now, for the last shape, move it to the right side, and adjust its size as needed. You can move the shapes around in any direction to get them exactly where you want. Then, update the text as necessary. Next, duplicate the slide once more, but this time change the background image. Go ahead and click the clipboard option again to select a new image. Move the shape to the right side, while the other two shapes should move to the left. Change the text to fit the new background. Now, select all the slides, go to the transition options, and apply the morph transition. And there you have it. You've just created an amazing, creative PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Slide Egg for more tips and tricks.